Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hey, you, say hi to the camera. Yeah, don't hide. Don't hide. Come on, don't hide. Come on, say hi to the camera. Finger, say hi to the camera. Look at those two lovebirds. Oh, so adorable. Man, he looks bigger than me on camera. You look a lot bigger than me on camera. Like, I'm not even joking, dude. I look like I have fucking abs on camera. Like, holy crap, man. Every day I'm shuffling.
Where is it, Tim?
The elevator's right here, dude. Make it a fucking video. Fuck you. Walking down the stairs. This is like a movie. Like, and like a little kid pops on and it's like, hello!
So where's your mom?
Is that the one by the stairs, right? Look at this. I better show me in. Look at that. Yeah. I'm uploading these on YouTube, Noah. I'm gonna upload these on YouTube. Look at that. Rock stars on top, man. Noah, look, it's open. It's open. Oh, oh. I made it open. Vroom, vroom.
Wait over here. After she's at the... I don't know how to explain it.
So, want me to show your new shoes, Noah?
Yeah.
Look at those new shoes, man. Look at that. They look like fantastic shoes. I'd steal those shoes from them if they were my size. Yeah, this is oh, got it on camera. Haha, I got it on camera. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Noah. Got it on camera. Oh, there we go. Oh,
Dude, stop, for real.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Smoking within 20 feet of this entrance is prohibited by law.
I can't believe we had to walk all the way over here.
I'm sorry.
Look at that security. Security dude can suck my dick.
Come on, let's go sit over here. Dude, Shannon.
Let's take a stand right here. Laser X is like all the way over there. Can I like zoom in? I can't zoom in? Oh, fuck you too. Fuck you too, camera. Look at that. I'm videotaping you, camera, and you're videotaping me. Yeah, you're so intimidating.
Did you text her to see what door?
Yeah.
Did she drop you off at this one?
No, my stepdad dropped me off.
Oh, your stepdad, is he big?
Yes. Oh, no, you're asking if he's big?
Strong or like...
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Fuck
He's
no.
not like that. He's like... But your video's...
Now I am.
Josh, stop.
I'm sorry. I'm making a video, man.
Like, he's not
Like me.
Noah, you're a pussy.
my dad.
Would your mom get mad?
If it is?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You know, this camera can hear all your conversation.
Where?
Oh, no.
Alright.
We're getting like everything on camera, dude.
Why are you videotaping?
I don't know. We should go raid the free samples, dude.
Dude, I want to go home. I want to play some Mario or something.
Fine, I'll just text my grandpa to come pick me up, dude.
Thanks, stupid.
I know I'm not. I'm smart enough. I'll put Gangnam Style. Look at that. I'm videotaping.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
New shoes.
I want to go raid the free samples for a minute.
While we wait for you. I mean,
My grandpa. Not my dad. My grandpa.
have I met your dad before?
Nope, I've never even met my dad before.
Oh.
So yeah, why am I getting this on camera? Who knows? Don't, just don't.
They ask you who all the
My phone. Hey, Noah, hold this for a minute. You're holding it wrong. Dude, stop it. Noah, really. That wild Jake texting. Stop it. There. What are you doing? You're gonna write the free samples.
Well, I'm doing this now.
Dude, you're gonna drop my iPhone.
No, I won't.
Dude, yeah, you will. Dude, stop.
I'm not gonna drop it, dude.
Just stop messing with the camera wrong then.
I'm smarter than that, dude. Okay, you take it. I feel like a retard.
Oh, it's been 6 minutes, dude.
Got $20 in my pocket.
Well, I'm gonna end this video now, dude. Say goodbye now.
Peace out. See you. Out. Peace. Peace to the out.